In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile your Xero bank account. Managing your financial transactions effectively is pivotal for the health of your business, and reconciling your bank account is a critical part of that process. It helps ensure that your records match those of your bank, highlighting any discrepancies that need to be addressed. With Xero's user-friendly interface, reconciling your account can be straightforward and efficient. Let's dive in and walk through the steps to achieve a seamless reconciliation process. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Xero dashboard. This hub is where the magic happens, offering you an overview of your financial situation at a glance. But let's focus on the task at hand. Find your business bank account on the dashboard. It should be listed right there. Click the three dots on your account to reveal more options tailored to manage your finances. Among the options, you'll select Reconcile Account. This is where your journey begins to ensure your bank and bookkeeping records are in perfect harmony. The page you'll arrive at is crafted to make the reconciliation process as smooth as possible. Now, focus on the Find and Match option. This feature is incredibly useful for aligning bank transactions with those you've entered into Xero. Think of it as a matching game, where the stakes are your financial accuracy. Click on Find and Match, and you'll find a list of transactions. It's time to play detective. Examine the list to find the transaction or transactions you want to reconcile. Once you've identified them, select the checkbox next to each relevant transaction. This step, though small, is a giant leap for your financial accuracy. After selecting your transactions, it's time to get specific about what these transactions represent. Click New Transaction to input more detailed information. Here, you'll categorize the transaction. You might choose Receive Money if, for example, it's a payment from a client, or Direct Payment if it's an expense. Occasionally, you might encounter an overpayment. Yes, sometimes customers pay too much, bless their hearts. In such cases, select Overpayment to account accurately for these transactions. Each of these categories helps you keep your records as precise as possible. Once all necessary details for your transaction are inputted, don't forget to hit Save Transaction. This step commits your hard work to your Xero records. Imagine it as sealing your transaction with a digital kiss. Moi. Finally, the crescendo of our process. Clicking Reconcile. This button is the final step affirming that everything aligns perfectly between your bank and your books. It's the green light you've been waiting for, the pat on the back for ensuring all your financial ducks are in a row. There you have it. You've successfully reconciled a transaction in your Xero bank account. By following these steps, you maintain accuracy and integrity in your financial records, which is crucial for the health and success of your business. Remember, consistent reconciliation is key to keeping your financials in check and avoiding any possible headaches down the road. We hope this guide has been helpful in navigating the reconciliation process within Xero. Stay tuned for more insightful videos on managing your business finances with ease and confidence. Thank you for joining me today, and here's to your business's financial health.